Hello there, Barbara Ragsdale here, independent maker with close to my heart. Going to show you what is in the Let's Go Anywhere card making workshop really quick before I go cutting all this up and doing a couple of videos for the pattern paper and the cardstock. So with the card making kit, this is going to be available March the 1st, available through the end of April. March 1st, 2024 to April 30th, 2024. This is the Let's Go Anywhere card making workshop kit that you can get for $37.95. And this is everything that is included in it. You're going to get your own stamp and thin cuts, which let me bring this up a little closer so you can see the stamp and then the coordinating thin cuts that come on their own little magnetic sheet. Kind of cool. Keep everything together. You're going to have enough supplies to create 16 cards. So not only do you have the card bases, you've got 12 of these standard card bases. If I can grab it behind here, you've got 4 slim lines as well, and then also the coordinating envelope. So you've got 12 of those and 4 of the slim lines. By the way, our bases, the card bases, not only are they already cut, but they're already scored as well. So they're pre-scored for you. That's always a bonus, right? Also, you're going to have a package of exclusive printed paperboard die cuts. So hopefully you can see those, bunch of stars and arrows. And then you're going to have 2 pieces of the Let's Go Anywhere paper. It is the same sheet, but the flip side to that has this map and this map image along with your zip strip, which is, I don't know if you can see that, but it is very small, but it is like the location points that you would see. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but anyway, it's the location points that you would see like on a map when you at the designated spot, the address, whatever you want to call it. Also, you're going to have cardstock sheets. So you've got, let me do this in this order. You have these are all 12 by 12 sheets. So you've got a piece of scarlet. You've got a piece of sapphire, already pretty, pine, shortbread, toffee, and French vanilla. So those are all of the kit contents for the card making workshop. Also, the last thing that's part of that is your instructions, your cutting instructions, the supplies that you're going to need. So there's your pattern paper and cardstock cutting instructions. And then at the end is going to be the assembly of each of the cards that you make. And of course, you make 4 of each. So that is technically everything that's included in the kit. I will tell you in the event description, so this description of this video, you're going to find a spring retreat registration. This is the card making workshop that you can include with your goodie bag. There's also a scrapbooking workshop that's available, as well as the Honey Bunny card making workshop or the Honey Bunny scrapbooking workshop. So if you're interested in taking this particular class to go, you can take my retreat to go. This would be included in with your goodie bag if you choose this particular kit. And then don't forget, you also get the stamp and thin cuts as part of the workshop. So that's a nice bonus. And if you're interested in any of the inks that you need in order for stamping, you will need black, you will need pine, sapphire, and toffee in order to complete the cards as designed. Plus, there'll be other supplies that will be listed at a later date, but I wanted to show you what was included in with the Let's Go Anywhere card making workshop, available March 1st. So hopefully that helps. Make sure to check out the video description, and I'll see you in the next video.